Tyler Coverdell, Fleet Sales Manager for the Knapheide Manufacturing Company. I'm here today to talk to you about the aluminum KMS package. We have a VMAX G30 compressor standard equipment. In the first vertical compartment, we have a remote panel with your start, stop, and choke. We also have a C-Tech 7 drawer unit, 250 pound capacity. In the horizontal compartment, we have the Knapheide bolt bin storage system, which you can pull out and move the dividers around as needed for your miscellaneous part storage. In the rear compartment, we have two adjustable shelves with 250 pound rated capacity. Off the back here, we have the master lock system with an ergonomic grip, so you can push in and fully lock the entire side of your compartment. Also, slam action tailgate, similar to the OEM pickup bed. On the rear of the KMS package, we have a full workbench bumper with two different options for your vice plate to mount. In the rear vertical, we have all of the features similar to our larger crane packages, a poly drip pan, and then your on-off function for your electric crane. This truck is featured with an electric 3,200 pound capacity, 15-foot reach. In our horizontal, we just have the standard 250 pound rated horizontal shelf, along with two adjustable shelves in the front vertical, 250 pound capacity on those as well. And then on the cab, we have a punched cab guard that's lined, as well as a full liner in the cargo area of the bed. If you'd like to learn more about the Knapheide aluminum KMS package, go to knapheide.com.